Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host Brian Hernandez, and today we're going to be talking about trays. Dough trays to be exact. Our friends at MFG Tray have sent us several examples of their food service products molded from high-strength glass reinforced composites. Now, these are going to look familiar to those of us in the industry. We know how great they work, and we know that we need them to do our jobs, but have you ever wondered why they work so well? MFG Tray is the industry pioneer in dough trays. From their humble beginnings in 1952, MFG Tray was the first to introduce composite dough trays to the industry, increasing the strength, durability, and life of these very integral tools. And for the past 65 years, they've been the leading supplier of dough trays and boxes to the industry. The fiber component in MFG Tray products provides strength and dimensional stability. And the outstanding physical properties that makes these trays so well known is a result of the combination of resin matrix and glass reinforcement. This means, unlike plastic trays, MFG Tray food service products are dimensionally stable. They can hold a big load and they're not going to bend or sag. To prove it, I've been standing on one this whole time. And unlike wood and metal products, they're not going to warp or corrode, making these trays long-lasting and durable. And their stability also makes stacking a breeze. Each tray will fit perfectly into another tray or the tray lids, creating a tight seal, keeping your products from drying out in the cooler. Another great feature of these trays are the lids that I just mentioned. The lids also nest with the bottom of other trays so you can stack multiple batches. My favorite part though is that they actually latch to the trays to create that perfect seal. And with their superb stability, you're not going to lose that seal over the life of these trays. The secret behind the strength of MFG Tray products is in the multi-directional glass fibers, allowing for more tensile strength. That's more sciencey words than I've ever said in my life. What does that even mean, you guys are asking? Well, basically, each tray consists of 1 to 2 inch fibers laid randomly in all directions. Now, this is going to increase the tensile strength, and that creates the rigidness not found in similar plastic products. These trays are safe for food service and are listed with the NSF, the National Sanitation Foundation. And the smooth, non-porous surfaces of these composite products resist odors and mildew, and they're not harmed by detergents, which means you can run them through your commercial dishwashers. They're also strong enough to last through any normal food service wear and tear, such as repeated washings or even being stored in freezing or refrigerated temperatures, making these trays great for flash freezing dough. MFG Tray products won't bend, warp, or crack in freezing temperatures or severe temperature changes like trays produced from different materials. These trays can withstand temperatures ranging from -60 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And the beauty part is, these trays will not only store your products, they're going to do it without creating condensation because fiberglass is a natural insulator. And whether you make pizza, bagels, or any other baked goods, MFG Tray has you guys covered with a selection of trays, lids, proofing boards, pan extenders, food storage bins, even serving and display trays. And they're all available in several colors to meet both functionality and aesthetics, meaning they're going to do a great job and they're going to look great doing it. Now that's all the time we have today in the kitchen, guys. I'd like to thank you all for joining us. I'd also like to thank our friends at MFG Tray. For more information about these or other MFG Tray products, visit mfgtray.com or give them a call. There's always a real person on the other end of the line during business hours, eager to help you with anything you might need. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez. I'll see you guys next time. But until then, remember what MFG Tray says. Many can imitate, but none can duplicate.